Apple Watch users in the US, your blood oxygen tracking is back. After months of legal drama with Masimo and a temporary ban, Apple just got US Customs approval to reinstate the feature on Series 9, Series 10, and Ultra 2 models. Now, with a new software update, your watch will collect the data and your iPhone will process it, restoring a vital health and wellness tool. Apple Watch users in the US, the wait is over. Blood oxygen tracking is back, and it's arriving through a clever software update. In 2020, Apple introduced blood oxygen measurement with the Series 6, giving health enthusiasts an easy way to check oxygen saturation from their wrist. But fast forward to 2023 and things got messy. Medical tech company Masimo accused Apple of stealing its pulse oximetry technology after failed partnership talks, and the US International Trade Commission sided with Masimo. That led to a temporary sales ban on the Apple Watch Series 9 and Ultra 2 in the US. Apple briefly resumed sales after an appeal, but had to remove the feature when the ban came back. Now, thanks to US Customs approvals, Apple is re-enabling the feature for Series 9, Series 10, and Ultra 2 owners in the US. The update works differently. Your watch sensors collect the data, but your iPhone does the processing, letting Apple bypass the legal roadblock. Masimo shares, they dropped 4.5% after the news. So if you've got one of these models, update your software and breathe easy. Literally, Apple just gave you your health back. For more tech updates, like, share, and subscribe to GadInsider.